Here in Hamilton County, the District Attorney General has placed 2 employees, his wife and brother-in-law, on leave after an investigation concluded the DA violated state nepotism policy. Mary Frances Hoots is here with the latest. Mary Frances.
David, the Comptroller's Office report says they received an allegation that the District Attorney's Office violated the Tennessee's Nepotism Policy Act. So they launched an investigation and determined General Neal Pinkston needs to either transfer his relatives to another government entity or terminate their employment.
The Nepotism Policy Act is a state law, and any state government entity must follow it. The Hamilton County District Attorney's Office is a state government entity.
Relatives cannot be employed within a direct line of supervision of one another within a state government entity.
District Attorney General Neal Pinkston has served as the top prosecutor for Tennessee's 11th Judicial District since 2004. In 2019, he married Melodia Kluhl, his chief of staff. And in 2020, Pinkston appointed her brother, Kerry Kluhl, as an investigator. Neither report to the DA directly. However, it was still determined that they are in the direct line of supervision of Pinkston.
To ensure that state government entities are avoiding conflicts of interest, as well as the perception of favoritism within a government.
Late last summer, General Pinkston moved his relatives' salaries from state to county funds amid nepotism concerns.
It really doesn't matter who is paying those employees. They're still considered state employees, part of the state government entity, the DA's office.
John Dunn with the Tennessee Comptroller's Office said they were encouraged that their findings had no evidence of favoritism.
Their salary increases over the past years were in line with other similar employees within the DA's office.
Dunn says this is not common at the state level of government because the nepotism laws are very clear. Each city and county government entity has their own nepotism rules that they put in place. It's not a uniform policy set by the state.
Yesterday, General Neal Pinkston said he placed his relatives on leave. So we reached out today for clarification on whether they are on paid or unpaid leave, and the office declined to comment. Pinkston said he plans to review the recommendations of the Comptroller's Office report and may have additional comments at a later date. In the studio, Mary Frances Hoots, Local 3 News.